In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an existing domain to your Shopify store. Having a custom domain makes your brand look professional and helps customers find and trust your site. And the process to connect it is straightforward. Start inside your Shopify admin. From the dashboard, head down to Settings, then open the Domain section. This is where Shopify manages any web addresses associated with your store. Since you already own a domain elsewhere, choose Connect Existing Domain. This option tells Shopify you're bringing in a domain you purchased from a third-party provider. When prompted, enter your domain name exactly as you bought it. For example, yourdomain.com. Keep it simple. Don't include HTTP or HTTPS, and don't add extra paths or slashes. If you own both the root domain and the www version, entering the root is usually best. Shopify will handle the rest behind the scenes. Next, select Connect automatically. This is the easiest route, because Shopify will work with many popular domain providers to update the necessary settings for you. A new window or tab will open asking you to log in to your domain provider. Go ahead and sign into that account. Make sure you're using the correct provider and the right account, especially if you manage multiple domains. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant access or approve the connection. If your provider asks for confirmation or uses two-factor authentication, complete those steps to keep everything secure. Keep the Shopify window open while you do this so the connection can complete smoothly. Once you've approved the connection, return to Shopify. You may see a pending or verifying status at first. That's normal. Domain changes can take time to update across the internet, a process called DNS propagation. Shopify advises waiting up to 48 hours for the connection to verify an update. During this period, avoid making additional changes to your DNS settings, as that can slow things down. You can continue working on your store as usual. Just check back later to see the status. When everything is ready, the domain will show as connected in the Domain section. That's it. You've connected your existing domain to Shopify using the automatic method. If you followed the prompts and gave it time to propagate, your store will now load at your custom web address, giving customers a clean, branded experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.